Welcome to this tutorial on the maximize sum after k negations problem. This is a classic greedy algorithm question often found in coding interviews. In this video, we will break down the logic and find the optimal strategy to solve it efficiently. Let's first understand the problem. You are given an array of integers and a number k. Your task is to perform an operation exactly k times. In each operation, you select an index and flip the sign of the number at that index. Your ultimate goal is to make the sum of the final array as large as possible. The key intuition here is simple. Negative numbers pull our total sum down. If we flip a negative number to a positive one, we gain twice its absolute value. Therefore, to maximize our gain, we should prioritize flipping the most negative numbers first. For example, flipping -10 gives a much larger boost than flipping -1. But what happens if we run out of negative numbers and we still have operations left? We are forced to flip a positive number, which will reduce our sum. To minimize this loss, we should choose the number with the smallest absolute value. Flipping a 2 results in a much smaller loss than flipping an 8. So, here is our greedy strategy. First, sort the array so the largest negatives are at the beginning. Iterate through the array and flip negative numbers to positive while we have k available. If we run out of negatives and k is 0, we stop. If k is still greater than 0, we handle the remaining flips based on whether k is even or odd. Let's walk through an example. We have an array with -4, -2, and 3, and k is 3. We sort it so -4 is first. We flip -4 to +4. We used 1k, so 2 remain. Next, we flip -2 to +2. We used another k, so 1 remains. Now, all numbers are positive. We have 1k left, but no negative numbers. The array is 4, 2, and 3. We must flip one number. To lose the least amount of sum, we find the minimum value, which is 2. We flip 2 to -2. Our final sum is 4 minus 2 plus 3, which equals 5. There is a shortcut for the remaining k. If k is even, we can flip the same number back and forth, resulting in no change. If k is odd, we effectively perform one flip. So, we only need to flip the smallest absolute value once if the remaining k is odd. Here is the pseudocode logic. We sort the array, iterate to flip negatives, and then handle the odd k case by sorting again or finding the minimum. The time complexity is dominated by the sorting step, making it O of n log, and the space complexity is constant or O of n depending on the sorting algorithm. To summarize, always prioritize negative numbers, starting from the smallest. If you have extra moves, only worry about them if the remaining count is odd. If it is odd, sacrifice the smallest absolute value available. This guarantees the maximum possible sum.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.